Presenting a pre-owned 2001 Lexus LX 470. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 198,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD changer, navigation system, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.